diba, yung mga potential distributors nyo para makita talaga nila yung effect. So maganda, if you're going to have a talk regarding Sensei, bring along the products with you. Then afterwards, after your talk, do an actual demonstration. Wala munang hair falling from your face. Diba? Yan. Prior to that, malinis na yung kamay ni Kuya. Kasi ito, among all the fingers that we have, these 3 fingers are the one, kahit pa paano soft siya. Kasi this one, diba, these 2 fingers, we have a strong grip on it. Unlike these 3, less tension. Yes, kasi kapag ito po, there's a possibility that we increase the probability of muscles that can cause wrinkles. So medyo ma-earthy po, kailangan talaga. Use this 3 fingers, not this 2. And kapag ginagamit nyo po, make sure that you use a circular motion. Gentle circular motion. Ayan, galing-galing ni sir. Siyempre, if you're going to use it on your face, make sure that you also use it on your neck. Diba? Di muna, ma'am. Siyempre, i-rinse off muna nila. Yan. Pwede na yan, sir. Ayan, pwede mo na siyang i-rinse, sir. Ah, sige po. Kahit to... So, palakpakan naman natin Sir Adrian, no? Tsaka si Ma'am Michelle. Diba, to be honest, after you use the Gentle Daily Cleanser, kahit pa paano, after that, you feel that your face is soft, na hindi siya dry. Just the Gentle Daily Cleanser pa lang. Ayan. Si Sir Adrian nagkalat. Then, kapag patutuyuin po natin yung mukha natin, huwag yung ganon. Don't rub it really hard. Just gently dab yung mga towels natin sa face natin. Kasi kapag nirub mo siya, the friction will cause wrinkles as well. Ayan. Hoy, huwag kayong ganyan na gumagwapo na si Sir, oh. Then after that, ano po yung next? Toner. Again, for what po yung toner? Yes, to restore the pH of the skin. Galing! Ito pong toner, may nagtanong po sa akin kung pwede raw sa kamay na lang ilagay. Siyempre hindi. Mas maganda po pa rin may applicator. Cotton, like this one, yung mga puffs. Kasi kahit pa paano naman, your hands kasi will produce friction. Okay? Then again, if you're going to use the cotton, idadab mo lang siya sa face mo. Don't rub it very hard. Okay? Ganun lang po. Idadab lang siya. Then, ano po, since alam ko naman mga distributor kayo, you have enough money. Kapag yung sa cotton po, huwag niyo po tipirin yung cotton. Kapag kita niyo medyo soak na siya, huwag niyo tipirin. Okay? Kasi ibig sabihin, madumi na siya. So, okay lang na marami kayong magamit. Ayan.
Siyempre, extreme yan.
Then, after po ng toner, una, syempre, kailangan muna medyo i-air dry natin yung face natin. Huwag tayo magmadali. After nun, ang ilalagay po natin, pag umaga is daytime protective emulsion. Again, it has SPF to protect you against UV rays. Okay? Again, kapag gagamitin nyo po to, you feel a slight tingling sensation, a hot sensation, because it mimics the effect of microdermabrasion without the harmful effect of dermabrasion itself. Again, etong wag gagamitin yung mga finger na to, yung dalawa. Ito lang tatlo. Better, kasi less tension. Di ba, medyo ma-earth eh. Ayan. And, diba, meron tayong thinking na pag mas marami tayong nilagay na moisturizer, feeling natin better. Pero it's not true. Yung regular amount lang, yung sakto lang. Okay? Kasi pareho lang din naman yung effect na yun. At kapag sumobra, pwede pa maklog yung pores mo. Kasi diba medyo oily nga siya. Kaya dapat ample amount lang ng daytime protective emulsion. Pag sa mga girls po, diba, after everything, we put our makeup pa, diba? Kaya make sure dry yung face mo. Diba? After you put the perfecting essence and the eye nourisher, after the daytime protective emulsion. Teka lang, sir, ano na feeling mo ngayon? Feeling mo ba may nagbago? Diba, parang...
Gumapo.
Hindi, to be honest, diba? Meron na silang healthy glow si sir, saka si ma'am. Then, sir, ilang taon na po kayo? 21. Kayo po? 26. So again, di ba sinabi ko po na ang perfecting essence, better siya, 30 and above, for those who have already wrinkles and lines. And since our two brave volunteers, they're still young, we will not advocate them to use the perfecting essence. Then after all of this, kapag dry na po yung face nila, again, you put the eye nourisher around your eyes. Pero nakalimutan ko po magdala ng eye nourisher. Pero you need to put it around your eyes, again, with these 3 fingers, na gentle lang. Also, you can use it around your mouth. This is just my personal opinion na po. Better if you put the moisturizers on a cold environment, like the fridge. Kasi, aside from its cooling effect, diba, cooling effect, nakaka-ano siya, nakaka-relax. But, it also helps with the normal blood flow, blood circulation, especially the areas around the eyes. Diba, we usually put cold cucumber, diba, para malesen yung maga. Same effect din. Like, kapag nagkapasa tayo, ang una nating nilalagay is ice. Because ice help to regulate normal blood flow. And normal blood flow is also important for the skin. Okay? Anyway, again, I just want to thank my team. Si Ma'am Joyce, si Sir Jet, si Ma'am Sherry, and of course, our volunteers. Okay? Again, my name is Christine, and thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you!